Get the best of your Android phone in your vehicle with wireless Android Auto compatibility. If Android Auto isn't pre-installed on your devices, download the app on Google Play. While in park, check that your phone's Bluetooth is active and in discoverable mode. Start by selecting the Android Auto icon, then Pair Phone. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Select your vehicle's name. Tap Pair on both screens. Accept the terms of use on your center display. Once connected, Android Auto will begin projecting your phone. You'll be notified of certain settings that Android Auto has access to, like syncing contacts, unless you've opted out. Just tap Continue. Then you can use your apps. You can also use your phone's USB cable to initiate a wireless connection for your next drives. Just plug your phone's USB cable into your vehicle's USB port. Android Auto should launch automatically, but if not, tap the icon on your center display. Visit Buick.com/support for more details.